Hey folks, now let's check what do you need to focus on this solar eclipse 14 December 2020. Pick a pile which calls out you intuitively. The first crystal is angelite and the second one, the middle one is clear quartz and the third one is citron. Okay, so choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like the other one calls out to you as well, check that. Maybe it might have a hidden message for you guys. Okay, the timestamps are given in the description column below. Yes, so you can start the video. Hey Palwan, if you have chosen this angelite quartz, let's check what do you need to focus on this solar eclipse. Okay, so now we have healing and the dream. I feel like certain events, certain things happened in your past. You need to let those toxins, you might not be with, for example, for some of you guys who are watching this video might be in a relationship, might have been in a relationship, but now they have broken up physically, but energetically you did not let those toxins out. Okay, you need to heal, you need to recover, look at the past. So that particular day, what you're asked to do is look into your past. Do you still feel hurt? Do you still feel that toxic energies inside your vessel that you need to release? Do you still feel that? Even if you say that you have moved on, you haven't healed yet. Okay, so it can be anything. Okay, not only a past relationship, it can be a career path that you thought might be fruitful for you, but it did not serve you and you haven't moved on. You still look at yourself as a failure of some kind. If you haven't moved on, if you haven't forgiven something also, in your past, like if someone betrayed you and you still feel hurt about it and you haven't forgiven that individual, you're blocking your healing in your energy. You are not letting those healing vibration come towards you. You're asked to let those toxic energies release. Okay, you're asked to let those go out. You need to release those toxic energies from your vessel. Okay, so yes, and the next card that you were drawn to from the crystal angels deck was heightened intuition. So during this solar eclipse there are chances you might be, your intuition might be in a very higher level. You will have a lot of intuitions coming up, so listen to your intuition, be extra aware of your inner knowingness as it's trustworthy. Whatever intuitively you feel like, do that stuff. Okay, if you intuitively feel like I don't feel safe around this person, or it's just that this person might not serve me or betray me, get out of that energy. Okay, let your intuition guide you that day. You need to focus on your intuition. Okay, so let's just keep this here. Okay, so the next card that you were drawn to from the Wisdom Oracle was New Life. Definitely, once you heal, once you let those toxic energies, the negative energies that reside inside your body, if you let it heal, a new life, a new you will birth. Okay, rebirth is highlighted. So make sure you focus on healing that particular day. Look back into the past. Do you still feel hurt for whatever events happened in your life in the past? If you still feel hurt, ask yourself, why does it still pain me? For example, as I said, if you have been hurt or betrayed by an individual, the cause for what was, you have made up your mind that that person went out of your life because you are not good enough. So you need to heal that thing. You need to know your self value. You need to know your worth. Okay, you need to heal those self worth issues. Okay, and yeah, so that for that is an example. Okay, for some of you guys it might be different aspects. So you need to heal, you need to look back into the past and ask why it's still hurting you. If it's still hurting you, and you need to release it, asking the question, why does it hurt you in that way? Okay, so only if you do so, you'll feel new. You'll feel like, yes, something negative came out of my life and now I'm feeling a lot positive and I'm gonna live my life, okay, in a new way, in a certain boundaries, in my own made up principles and values. Okay, so the next card that you were drawn to from the Moonology deck was this solar eclipse. Adjustments are required. Okay, now looking at adjustments, I feel like, think of yourself as a vessel that has been filled more and more over the past few weeks. Okay, there are some situations or some feelings that you have been holding on to in your heart and you're not releasing it. It's like a pressure cooker. Okay, some of what has come your way may have been wonderful, but there is a lot of negativity and you need to let go of this. You need to release it. Okay, whatever situation you're asking about now, be honest about whether you are toxic emotions involved, which you need to release into the release into the universe, which you need to release it from your body. Okay, changes are required now. So the thing is to let your life change, to feel that I'm so bored with my life, nothing is happening as per my way, I need some changes, I need something new. For that, to let the new thing come into your life, you need to adjust. Okay, you need to heal those issues. Okay, a change of course is happening. Okay, in your recent future, it is acted upon, that it is definitely the change is coming, but you need to pay attention of the crisis that you faced, of the events that you faced in your past, and let the toxins out of your vessel. Okay, so adjustments are required for you to birth a new life inside you. Okay, yeah. So definitely now this is coming, a new start is coming. Okay, definitely new life, new start, healing energies are asking you to release what no longer serves you energetically and start a new life, start a new journey. Okay, so this is what you need to focus on this 2021 this 2021 solar eclipse on 14 December. Make sure you are aware of your intuition as well, because it's really going to guide you. The time when you'll dig deep, like why it's still hurting me, the intuition is going to guide you. Your intuition is going to tell you like why it's hurting you and what you need to release. So let yourself feel all those emotions. Okay, so this is what you need to focus on 14th December solar eclipse. Thank you, Palwan. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you. So pile 2, if you have chosen this beautiful clear chords, let's check what you need to focus on this solar eclipse 14 December. So I feel like that day you're gonna feel like a lot of emotions are happening all together. You might feel like oh my god, I'm so much overwhelmed. A mix of emotions are flowing in. Okay, like a lot is happening with these two cards itself, I could say. So looking at the thunderbolt, I feel like you will be shaken up. There are chances for some of you guys who are watching this video, some revelation or some truth, something which will come into light, and you might feel like, oh my god, I did not know this would happen. Like, fuck, I did not imagine it, and that revelation is gonna be really shocking for you guys. And for some of you who are watching this video, okay, this is collective reading. Okay, guys. So some of you are watching this video, you are asked to whatever triggers coming your way, to feel it, to feel all your emotions. Looking at the thunderbolt, I feel like you need to feel like, even if some individual is coming and knocking you down, or fighting you, or it's just that saying something which makes you a little sad or aggressive, you're asked to feel that emotion. Feel it. Do not react it or do not respond it. Just feel it. What do you feel? Do you feel sad? Do you feel happy? Do you feel, oh my god, like, do you feel like your pride has been hurt, or what do you feel? Like, do you feel your ego is hurt? Whatever you feel, just feel that emotion. Okay, and you're asked to balance your energy. For some of you guys who are watching this video, who might be in a relationship or might be working on a certain situation or aspect of your life where the give and take is not balanced here. You might be giving a lot to other people than receiving it from the other end. Okay, because looking at this rightness here, you need to be patient, you need to separate yourself from the person, from those group, from that people, or from all that stuff which is not serving your higher purpose. What is it making you feel? Looking at the ripeness card over here, look at it. It's like, okay, fine, ripeness, you know what it means, but it's separating from something. This is what is highlighted to me over here. Okay, if you feel like you do no longer belong to a certain stage of your life, level up yourself, feel all those emotion and level up yourself, come out of that toxicity. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. So the next card that you were drawn to I'm sorry. The next card that you were drawn to from the Wisdom Oracle deck was exchanging gifts. So make sure, if you are in a relationship, do you feel the efforts are coming from that side as well? If not, then it's toxic. You need to let it go. Not only relationship, hun, anything, even if you are in a partnership, or colleagues or something, if you do not feel appreciated enough, you do not receive what you are worth of, you need to let that shit go. You need to analyze in what situation you are in. you know Balancing of energies, exchanging gifts is very important. And if you Yeah, and if you feel imbalanced, you're asked to let yourself move out of those imbalanced energies. Okay, this is what I am getting. And also, some of you guys are over here codependent. Looking at the exchanging gifts, I feel like you guys need to be independent. You don't need to be dependent on someone else for some certain outcome to happen. Okay, guys. So this solar eclipse, you know you are asked to focus on yourself, focus on how far you have come, focus on what worth you are, focus on feeling all those hurt and triggers coming your way that particular day, focus on what is not serving your higher purpose. Okay, focus on balancing your energies, focus on whether are you receiving what you are worth of or not. Okay, this is what I'm getting now. Let's check your other cards. From the Crystal Angels deck, you interestingly, you have chosen this crystal cards, right? And you definitely got crystal cards. Now this is beautiful. So as I said before, a lot of emotions are going to flow in, so you're asked to feel all your emotions. Your entire rainbow spectrum of feelings is sending you important messages and guidance. If you feel a certain way, consider that emotion, feel it, and ask, what are you trying to tell me? Ask, intuitively, ask for guidance through that. Your guides are going to help you with it. Okay, and the next card that you were drawn to from the Moonology deck was conclusions are within reach. Definitely, you're gonna make some conclusions, you're gonna make some amends, you're gonna, let yourself separate from things which no longer serve you, and you're gonna make some let yourself go away from certain things which no longer serve you, definitely, which does not serve your higher purpose, and you're going to make some conclusions, some boundaries. Something which is not serving you, you will end it. So conclusions are within reach. Okay, on 14 December you're going to make some conclusions. Okay, some boundaries, some principles, something to respect yourself. And the next card that you were drawn to was, look how in sync are these two cards. Okay, it's like you have got conclusions are within reach and a fiery climax approaches. Now I don't have to explain this, like totally I don't have to, because they both are speaking like something is ending. You'll realize your value and you'll end things which no longer serve you. So this is what gonna happen. This is what you're asked to focus on through me from your spirit guides on solar eclipse on the day of 14 December. So this was your reading pile 2. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you guys. Hey pile 3, if you have chosen the citrine uh, citrine cards, now let's check what do you need to focus on 14th of December 2020, this solar eclipse. So looking at the fighting and the change card, I feel like you're asked to stay at rest. That day you're asked to stay at rest. You do not have to fight anything which comes in your life that day, that particular moment. Whatever comes in your plate, let it happen, let it flow, let the changes come. Okay, do not resist it, do not fight it, do not do not let your emotions overflow the things happening as per divine plan. The changes are happening for your own good. It's great to come out of your comfort zone. Trust me, it is amazing. It might feel a little scary at times and you might resist it through fighting it. Okay, but this is the best thing, best gift you will ever get. Change is an amazing thing. Okay, so I feel like yeah, that particular day you're asked to focus on just going with the flow, resting as much as you can, feeling those emotions coming out to you. Some of you guys watching this video might cry on that particular day. I am sensing, I'm seeing a vision. Some of you guys crying or releasing some, if you feel like crying, cry out loud. Okay, cry out loud, because it's good to feel those emotions and let it out. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, but you're asked to, it's scary, I know. Some things might come in your way, in your plate. You might feel a little scared, but you need to work through that. You need to heal those issues. Okay, you're asked to stay calm, stay in the present moment, now moment. Do not overthink. Just let it be, just go with the flow. Okay guys, just let the divine work its way. Okay, and some of you guys might feel a little sad or feel a little worthless that day. Maybe something might happen or something from your past might come up, that you did not prove yourself, you are a failure, or you just don't know what to do and you're not good enough. All those emotions might overflow. Feel it. Okay, feel it, it's fine. Feel those emotions. And the next card that you were drawn to from the Wisdom Oracle deck, it totally resonates, is breathe. Definitely you're asked to breathe. Even I feel like some of you guys, it's better if you meditate or connect with nature. Okay, connect with nature and meditate. Stay in the present now moment and just breathe. Just stay calm. Okay, do not respond or react or whatever is happening around you. Okay, even if someone comes and triggers you, just let it happen. If someone comes and fights you, let them fight. You just be calm. You let your aura, okay, you let your boundaries, do not let those negative energies affect your aura. Okay, let them fight outside. You just be in your calm state. Okay, and the next card that you were drawn to from the crystal angel was purification and detoxification. It's time to release physical and energetic toxins from your life. Yes, definitely you're asked to meditate and maybe connect with nature, go for a walk or somewhere. It is a time for all the toxins coming out. So let yourself feel all those emotions. Do not resist the change coming in your way, because it's detoxifying you and it's good for you. Okay, so let it happen. So the next card that you were drawn to from the Moonology deck was nothing is yet set in stone. This is definitely, as I was saying now, like something from your past might come up and you might feel like a failure or something. You might feel worthless or something. So you are asked, you are not that person, okay? Do not come into a conclusion that certain things did not work out your way, therefore I am worthless, therefore I am a failure. No, it is not set yet. It's not set in the stone yet. You can change it, change the future. You can change it. Let the emotions flow, let the divine work. You just breathe, you just stay calm, okay? Do not resist it. So what you mostly need to focus on that day is do not resist the changes coming your way. Just feel all those spectrum of emotions and let it happen. You are just asked to feel those emotions and breathe. Let the divine work. And the next card that you were drawn to from the Monology deck is Work Through Your Fears. I told you, right? It might be scary. The change might be scary. Therefore, you might feel like resisting it or fighting the change. That no, 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 no. I just can't come out of my comfort zone. It's just so scary. No, you have to work through your fears because these are all your traumas. If you feel like doing something, uh, I'm sorry, if you feel like doing something which is risky, but you are feeling, what if certain people think about you if you do something like that? These are your judgmental issues that you need to work on. I don't know why did I say this, but I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video might relate to the judgmental issues. Some of you guys who are watching this video might have judgmental issues, and this might come up that particular day on 14 December. Okay, someone is going to judge you, and you might conclude yourself as a person that the individual judged you about, but you are asked to heal those issues. They do not define you, only you define yourself. Okay, work through your fears. I know it's scary, but you need to work through it. So pile 3, this was your reading. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. Thank you guys.